Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at the Supertrend AI Clustering Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This advanced version of the Supertrend uses AI-driven clustering to adapt its parameters to changing market regimes, aiming to provide more context-aware trend information across different assets and timeframes. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Right, on the chart, the super trend AI clustering indicator typically plots a super trend style line that flips above and below price, with colors indicating bullish or bearish phases. What makes it distinctive is that its internal logic clusters market conditions such as volatility and structure and adjusts its behavior accordingly rather than using a static one-size-fits-all parameter set. When the line is below price in a bullish color, it implies an AI classified uptrend regime. And when it switches above price in a bearish color, it implies a downtrend regime. The resulting line aims to stay more in tune with current conditions, visually highlighting trend phases that reflect the underlying market cluster rather than just raw volatility. As for the indicator settings, let's see what we have. All right, so here we have the ATR length, factor range, step, performance memory. You can set your trailing stop color, right? Candle coloring, and then show signals, right? You can choose your preferred colors and trade in your preferred time frames as well. So who's this indicator for? The Super Trend AI Clustering Indicator is suited to traders who like super trend but want a more adaptive, data-driven approach that can handle changing volatility and structure better than static settings. It's still a technical trend following tool based on historical data and cannot guarantee accuracy in all regimes. Sudden news events, extreme volatility, or structural breaks can still cause false or late signals. As with any advanced indicator, it should be used alongside a clear trading plan, risk management, and other confirmation tools rather than as a standalone system. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the Supertrend AI Clustering Indicator, including its concepts, use cases, and example charts at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.